In this video, I'll show you how to play Rainbet in UK. As you can see, if you open rainbet.com from UK, you will see that all of the games will be blocked in your region. So I will show you the solution how to avoid this problem and play on Rainbet. So to solve this problem, you need to use the VPN. And in this case, I suggest you to use NordVPN, which is one of the best VPNs. And if you use the link, which is in the comment section as a pinned comment, you will get nice 75% discount plus 3 months for free. So you need to click this link, then click Get NordVPN, and here will be 2 years plan. The maximum discount you are getting on 2-year plan. There are also 1-year plan, and there is also a nice discount, but there's no discount on monthly plans. The basic plan is enough for you. Just click Get basic plan, create an account on NordVPN, make the payment, then you can download the NordVPN into your desktop computer, or you can just download the VPN for your Chrome browser, or if you are using the mobile phone, you can go to Google Play Store or App Store and download the NordVPN into your phone or tablet. After you'll get the NordVPN, you need to open it and you need to connect the country from where you can play the Rainbet. The Rainbet is not blocked in Poland, so I'm using the Poland. Just write Poland in the search and click on it. And in a few seconds, you will be connected to the Poland server. This VPN is super fast, guys. You won't have any problems with the speed. So I will go back to Rainbet, I will refresh the page, and as you can see now, all of the games are available and I can play using the VPN on Rainbet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.